What's up, guys? Today we have our bird feeder stand thingamajiggy, and it has 4 bird feeders, drink bowl, mesh tray, and the whole thing with hangers. Let's get cutting into it. Be careful, always be with that adult before using knives, and cut away from yourself. Rule number 1. Or rule number, like, I don't know. Let's cut through the. Never mind. Let's cut through the cardboard. 1, 2, 3. And we also have some bird food. Just say this is all from Squires. The better ones of these would be what's it called? Do you remember what's it called? It's like just these are not the best ones. I just need to say. But like yeah, Squires like had out of stock of the good ones, so yeah, I'd get these ones. And let's see what's inside the more cutting. Let's see what's inside the. Ooh, first thing I just. Jesus. First thing I see is this. I guess it's one of these bird feeders where you put these balls in. And then you have these poles that this goes in the ground and somehow takes 6 years, and then you get it to fit in there. Do that later. I'll put these side back here, and then let's all put that out, yeah? Now this is like a big mesh thing, and the birds peck through it.
That's the peanut one.
Yes, for these peanuts, these seeds will go in one of these 2. One of these 2, somewhere at the bottom of this. We're going to clean this up afterwards. Don't worry, we didn't. We also can see our new members of Epic Adventures. Let's see if they want to come. I'm just going to introduce them for you. My favorite is that white one. That I need. Can I use your shoes? Poops is in there. I don't want to step in poop, so you always need shoes. And it's open, so you let them free range everywhere. The trick is they run away. So how do we do this again?
Move that board so they don't run inside.
So I have a trick if they run at it. I'm just going to try to catch one of them. That's a white one. One that's open.
What are their names, Finn?
Okay. This is my most favourite. They're black. Oh no. This is going to be a disaster, but my most favourite is called Snowslee, the white one.
What's Snowski?
Snowslee.
Snowslee.
The yellowish colour one is called Cornflake, and the big greyish, oh no, change its colour, orangey, like grey, yellow, is called Peckles. So that's our chickens, but let's get back into the good juicy stuff. And here, you ready, see there's a bunch of poop on the ground now. It's poop smudges. Ew, poop. Okay.
Yummy.
Yummy. No. Not yummy. I'm gonna pour the rest of this stuff
Oh,
out.
there's loads on you.
I'm gonna put this over there so we don't have to walk in the poop and die. Okay, so let me see. What do I start with first? Attaching this to.
How about reading the
This.
instructions?
You don't need instructions. Who needs instructions? I need the instructions for that Lego building video, I guess. This is quite hard to put in. Everything.
I'll do it for you. Oh. Doesn't look like it's full then. Just leave it there. Okay. Build the poles.
Okay. So here you go. Okay. So here's the pole. Here's the bottom pole. I don't think there's an order that you need to put them in. Yeah, that seems like the top. Oh.
Squeeze that little silver thing in.
Okay, there you go. And then the top. What is that? I heard it's not wasp. Chickens are out now. What is that? This is tools. Okay. Chickens, what are you doing? Okay, wrong one. I don't know.
Put that one on first.
This one?
No, other one. You have to undo the little wing nut.
Oh, yeah.
Anti-clockwise, yeah?
I think.
You'll worry about that in a minute. Put the top one on.
Oh, that is a jigsaw puzzle. Now we have to find the one that fits. This is the bottom one, I think, Dad.
See the picture? And that goes lower down, so just finish the top. Get that top one. That one will slide over the other one, so we'll take it apart in a sec. Just get that top one.
Oh.
Push it all in, and yeah, undo that.
Oh, that's hard. This one's hard. Oh. That is super hard, this one. Are we gonna bring in the pliers?
Okay, that's pointing the wrong way. The camera's pointing the wrong way.
Sorry, guys. Cameras. You never saw what. Okay, there you go. I think you can see now. We may have to break up soon. The phone feels a bit hot. Chickens over there. All three of them. Oh, yo, I can make it 20%. You can see chicken's feathers, wherever they are. They're just blurry things. You can, I'm gonna see if I can, that's far away. Okay. What are we doing? This. That's gonna slip on. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take off the handcuff. Guys, I'm gonna see if I can handcuff. Sorry guys, just a second.
Where should we put it, Finn? Where should we put it? Finn? Where should we put this?
I don't know, where should we put it?
Should we put it over here? Against there? Or in the middle?
Against there.
Over here?
Sorry, I'm just handcuffing my legs together. It hurts. Oh, it really hurts. Ooh. Oh, that feels a bit nicer. But like, you can't walk around. Oh, I feel like I'm about to cut my leg off. No. Yeah, this is how. I know I can't get up. Okay. Granny?
Yeah.
SOS.
Don't trip with those there.
I need help.
You know, Granny broke her tooth
How?
playing tied up.
Ah. Gonna. Ow! Fall. Okay, challenge is over. I'll be waiting for that. Oh, my legs feel so. Oh, my leg feels so. Both legs are so relieved. Yay! Okay, so handcuffs are off. Chicken's now gonna be cuffed. Whoopee. Okay, like last. Let's have this here. Definitely. See these, buy them. They're at, what's it called again? Oh yeah, you need to guess it. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. 10. Actually 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squires. These are epic. And what you need to do is buy them. Just buy them. These just like Jurassic World, Jurassic Park, or yeah, it's a lunchbox, and probably you know what this is, but it's a water bottle. That is the next video that I'll be filming. I just already filmed that. There you go. Whee! Oh, it's me. Whee! Oh, the car's broken. No, the dinosaur escaped. Yes, definitely buy these 2 sets. Let's get back to what we're supposed to do. So let me see, what do we have here? Knife work. Let's eat the chickens. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken macaroni, chili macaroni, chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken macaroni, chili macaroni. Let's see. Hi. What's your name?
Barbara.
How do you spell it?
Barbara Bissy.
Don't give your surname.
Barbara. Goldilocks.
I'm filming your eyes. I zoomed in on your eyes. What the? Hi. What's your name?
Mickey.
I zoomed in on your eyes.
I'll finish the video.
Stop blinking. Okay. Okay, so now we have more chaos. Oh, this is gonna take a long time. But well, right now I guess I'm gonna fill these. So just gonna, you can watch me. I'm gonna fill this one first. So can I use the knife? There you go. Some nice smelling peanuts. Opening it, nothing in there. Right, also I'm gonna just get these crunchy dumplings, rich, seeds here, there's birds here like them. Okay, so first of all, let's see. Peanuts. I don't think you can see, but I'm gonna pour. Let me see how I make. Like that. Can you see, guys? I'm just gonna see because I'm working. Okay. I think use my hands is easier. Are these peanuts on the table? Maybe we can have some peanuts dinner. Leave a comment what should we have for dinner. Oh, the bird's gonna love this. Some peanuts. Well, and they can pick the peanuts off the ground because they are peckers and they peck. Oh, probably our chickens are going to eat them all first. Chickens I don't think eat peanuts. I don't think chickens eat peanuts. Leave a comment if I am wrong and definitely like. So subscribe if I'm incorrect and like if I'm not. If I'm correct. And yeah, let's see if I am or not. And I want to see that bell. Just make sure when you go on your phone always and you always watch my videos, I want to see that subscribe button, not grey, I want to see it red. And I want to see, oh no, I don't want to see it red, I want to see it grey. Or am I getting confused? I don't know which one. I just want to know that you should subscribe. If I do not see you subscribed, search and do me a car. And I want to see you like. I want to see you hit that bell to see each single video that comes out. Like it. And then we could have a great time. Both of us can have laughter all the time. Both of us will be happy. No sadness. We don't want people to be sad, do we? Or do we not? Oh, almost finished. It's going to take a few more handfuls and then we can... almost finished. Just a few more. And... oh my gosh. It took so long to fill this. One more handful. And that should be good enough. And peck, peck, peck. Now it's time for these. Dumplings need to get in here. Yum, yum, yummy, yummy. Knife just fell on the ground. Ah, that's scary. Very, very scary. Could have landed on. Oh, that's chicken. Okay, so let me see. Dumpling 1. Let's go in. There you go. Dumpling 2. Dumpling 3. Dumpling.
No, that's it.
3 little dumplings on there. Then 3 for next time. Now let's see. We have 2 bird feeders. This is a bird feeder.
Yeah, one's for mealworms, the other one's for seeds.
Which one's for mealworms? Which one's for seeds?
Not sure. We're gonna use seeds in both of them because
We
forgot the mealworm one.
Hope these don't make a mess.
Here you go.
I think this one's supposed to be for mealworms. What's wrong, chickens? Oh, I think chickens just said like and subscribe to Epic Adventures. And definitely listen to them.
Okay.
Hi guys. Collecting water.
You're gonna be there forever.
Success! Water has been collected. You know, I want to tell you what the problem is with these. I want to tell you a big problem that we've had before. That the problem with these is because you put seeds and like put just stuff in them. Like when it rains, it's not rained in so long, but when it rains, all of that, like all the seeds start to grow in there. So that's the problem that we have. So what do you want to put in there? These or these? Seeds. How about a mix of these also? Okay, I'll put a few of these and a few of the other. Yeah. And then now is the peanuts. It's a chicken ball. I mean, not the chicken, bird ball. There you go. And now we hang up our I'll take 2 at a time. Let me think. Where should these go? These two should go on opposite sides. And I pick... Oh no. I think I picked these one and this one. Oh no. Put these two like this. Because I didn't want them spilling to the water bowl, and then these two just go in the other places. This one I plan to go here because there's not a place to stand, and this one same, so it's closer to there. And that's it, our wonderful. Let me put some water on the grass. A little bar. There you go. And our wonderful chicken feeder area thingy-majiggy-majig.
Chicken feeder.
These are chicken feeders. See, the bird feeder. And yes, like and subscribe and hit that bell. I want to see that bell being hit, so you can't miss one of our videos if you do. Certain death.